Hi guys, it's Troy over at Choice Window Tinting. I just finished tinting this brand new 2021 Tesla Model Y. We installed Llumar Air Clear on the windshield. It's a clear film that's ceramic that cuts almost half the heat and all the UV. We also installed Llumar IRX on the two front doors. Llumar IRX is our highest heat rejecting Llumar film. As you can see, we make the tint go all the way to the top edge, so there's not a big gap. The film is nice and clear. We clean up after ourselves. You have to be careful with these vehicles because you don't want just anyone to install window film on them, especially on the windshield, because you can burn out the computer modulator that's located underneath the dash. So we use special ropes and special towels to make sure that we don't have that problem. We also have special techniques that help to ensure that we don't have any issues with your electronics on your Tesla. So if you were to get the cheapest price on window film, it may not be someone that's familiar with Teslas. So I would recommend you go with somebody you trust and someone that you know is not gonna damage your vehicle. Also, for the people that are window tinters out there, we do use it's called Tint Hosilla. It's an amazing product. It sprays our slip solution out, really even, steady, it's very steady stream. We also use Jeremy Shapiro's Quick Draw Tools towels. These towels we use for the dash and also for the doors to keep the water from damaging the interior of the vehicle as well as the computer. So if you're looking for a really good towel, dash towel, that's the one to use. We also use these soak ropes. I'm going to show you what this looks like. This is a rope that we put in the dash, and what it does, it's called a soak rope, and the soak rope will absorb the water that goes in the dash so we don't have damage to the Teslas. So there's a lot of prep we do in Teslas. If you want to have a really good tint job, this clean, no dirt, no bubbles, no creases, no hairs, give us a call at Choice Window Tinting today. We're located in East Orlando on Arcoosie Road in Lake Nona.